Well, what does this case tell us about the politician-bureaucrat relationship, the state of India's bureaucracy in particular? Joining us tonight on the program is TSR Subramaniam, the former Cabinet Secretary of India. Mr. N. Vittal, the former Central Vigilance Commissioner, joins us tonight from Chennai. So does M.G. Devesham, former IAS officer. With us, the politicians this evening from the Samajwadi Party. We're back. Mr. Navid Siddiqui is back with us tonight. Gaurav Bhatia joins us this evening, and so does Mr. Sudhindra Bhadoria from the BSP here in the studio with us. Let me ask Gaurav Bhatia first. Gaurav, we have now heard that Durga Nagpal has appeared before the Chief Secretary of UP. She has pleaded her case. She has said that she didn't do anything wrong. We're also getting reports today of the suspension and the transfer of another officer who worked with her in fighting the sand mafia. Is that all just a coincidence that those who were fighting the illegal sand mafia, were in the dock?
Nidhi, please permit me to, voice my opinion. And the entire issue revolves around cracking down on illegal sand mining. And it has been, alleged that the state government had transferred an honest IAS officer because she was cracking down on these sand mafias. So I would like to place some facts which, would require consideration. First of all, she was posted there as SDM in Gautam Budh Nagar in August 2012, Nidhi. After that, there has been 61 raids in January 2013, February 39 raids, March 37 raids. In all, till the month of July, there has been 281 raids in Gautam Budh Nagar. 20 FIRs have been lodged in the last 7 months in this calendar year, and 371 vehicles have been impounded. Now, if this was happening in the last 7 months, I am sure that the government wanted this. They did not want that there should be any illegal sand mining. And now it also clearly shows that her suspension has got nothing to do with the illegal sand mining.
No, because
rather, if
the
she
last,
was
one second, I'll counter you on that. It's because she got an FIR lodged against Mr. Narendra Bhatti's close aide in this illegal mining, this illegal sand mining case. That was the last straw for the state government. It is now an open secret that Mr. Bhatti was the one who was urging the state government to take action against her.
Nidhi, just the fact that she was operating as the SDM for the last 1 year, she was cracking down on sand mafias, and the government desired that. We wanted to ensure that there is no illegal sand mining. Therefore, I am saying that the suspension had nothing to do with cracking down on these sand mafias.
But when it got too close to one of your leaders, it was the last straw. When it got too close to one of the senior SP leaders.
For the Samajwadi Party government, irrespective of who the person is, if there is any illegality, that person would also be dealt according to the law. There would be no high and mighty. They would be dealt as per any individual who would do any illegality. And the example is that there was a cabinet minister in this government who was sacked because he passed an indecent remark on a women's IAS officer. There have been other incidents also. So to connect, the point that I'm trying to make here is, Nidhi, that somewhere she was negligent when she was handling a very volatile situation in which communal riots could have occurred.
But Gaurav, let me just ask you two questions. No, one second.
Communal riots occur over there.
No, but let me ask you two things. No, Gaurav, 1 second. First, let me ask you on the DM's report, which the Samajwadi Party has conveniently decided to disown as well, because you've had senior leaders from your party saying in the last 24 hours that, well, why don't we take action against the DM as well for that absurd report? The DM has said she was asked, she was doing her job, she was asked to go there and look at some illegal construction that was taking place, and that there was no issue whatsoever of any kind of communal riots or violence breaking out. This is the DM's report. She was just doing her job. How easy is it for the state government to disown that?
Yes. No, Nidhi, nobody has disowned the report. Please understand. I am not here to comment on remarks made by individuals. I am telling you the stand of the government and why this decision was taken. If there is a report of the DM which states something, that would be considered by the state government. And I think the media should also be a little responsible and wait for the outcome. The IAS officer who's been suspended Durga Shakti ji, she would be served a copy of the charge sheet. She'll get an opportunity to reply to that charge sheet, and after that, the state government would look into it.
Shouldn't she have been given a chance to respond? Shouldn't she have been given a chance to respond before she was suspended? You didn't do that. And I just want to point out to you, Gaurav, that Mr. Navid Siddiqui, your colleague, who is here
the process is this.
No, one second, Gaurav. Your own colleague Navid Siddiqui, who was on this show last night from Lucknow. Mr. Siddiqui, come in here. Did you not say last night on this program that the DM's report, that the DM should also have action be taken against him? That the DM's report is not acceptable? Will you own up to your remarks?
I didn't. I never said this, that the DM's report will not be entertained. I said this, that we got the LIU report first.